Hello everyone. هاي لنيو لايف سيشن آخر هذا الأسبوع. نحن نهار الجمعة 9/4/2021 9/4/2021 Friday, last day of this week. Actually, we had a very good sniper entry buy on gold as well at the sell here at this level 1741. I was following up with this trade, but here a very good sniper entry if someone like took it. Of course I didn't. Let's see. It went from 44 till 32. Very fast drop. Oh, you put it here?
Yes, حتى السل اللي فوق أنا كنت ناطرها I was waiting for it and it fast الكاندل نزلت يعني فقلت معاش أخدتها إنه كان طارت كتير تحت.
اوكي.
كان الماركت اليوم على 1 second عم بيفرق يعني.
Yep. Even on GJ, it hit like 74 and 79% today. 74% at 149.80. Oh my god. I didn't check this, to be honest. 145.56, 79% after all this daily crash down. It was also a sniper entry on GJ and on a daily basis, so it's 100 pip, 100. Wow, there are many trades. We are missing these trades actually. These trades usually are not to miss. We have a small problem today with the US 30, guys. What's this problem? Problem is there is no, and it's breaking again the higher high. It's going up and breaking the high. So it will be a bit harder to choose where to sell. Except on Fibonacci levels. If it breaks this high and keeps moving up. We have no more history before. We are again at all-time high. Wow, DJ, Lamas. After breaking this 50-56, what a move today. Perfect, Elias, perfect. Actually, the market is working super technically. And here after it broke like all the way, also 61.8, it's reaching 50%. Very fast move. The problem is now was here was the US 30. Didn't reach this resistance also. Was the only sell I wanted to sell here. 33,632. I wanted to sell at this level. We couldn't reach this level. I think we'll keep moving up. Let's see. Wael, US 30. Yes, yes. We both missed this. It's okay. I think breaking this high, we should go further to a higher high. Hopefully, we reach 33,672 in this candle. So without a retracement. Because breaking this level usually pushes us for a buy, not for a sell. But of course, breaking and closing above this level. GPP. Let's see. What do we have here? We had a good week. We will try not to ruin it today. Yes, Elias, yes. There is no problem if you have a day like خلاص, you don't trade anymore, or you did what you want to do as profits. You're not like obliged to continue. If I don't see a good trade, for example, this buy here was a good trade, 150.64. But the problem is always like, okay, if here and this candle kept moving up, it was capped by this level. This level is hard. And then due to this flag, we have many levels here. So it was a bit confusing for me to buy GJ, even though I was watching. The best buy should have been here at 79%, like 149.60. Knowing that there are two different point of view. For example, today it opened, made a shadow, and then kept moving. So in the normal moves, normally as the moves of GJ are fast, we could have reached like this level 148.70, even like 100 more pip for today, and now it could start retracing, and this could have been like a double top. Not 100%, but it could have been like a double top.
هاي عبد الله كيفك؟
Yeah.
بدي اسالك عبد الله كرمال الذهب ليش صار هيك؟ يعني I was expecting انه امبارح كان عم بشد شوي وريح رجع شد بس اليوم فرط، كان مع انه كذا مره طلع فوق شو اسمه الريزيستنت تبعيته كنا حاطينها اذا بدك. في شي نيوز او
طبيعي كتير بدك تنتبه بالديلي خصوصي. طبيعي كتير إذا عم تحكي ديلي مش 4 hours إنه بعد هيك طلعات كبيرة. ليه أنا قلت لكم كنت تنطروا بكرة فتحة والتريحة والشادو الديلي، فهمت قصدي؟ لأنه بده يفتح بعد طلعة ليك من قد إيه طالع 1677 to 1758. It's a big move للجولد. Usually you have to wait a retracement. Usually I doubt that it opens like this and keeps moving up directly, especially you have resistance here. Look, and it's retracing from this resistance, you see it? So here you have to open, wait a retest. We said clearly that we have to wait a candle to go down or to retest, and then when it's moving up again and it breaks this resistance, we can start buying 1765. Before this level, I can't buy, it's risky. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
So this is the case if you are just looking on 1 hour, but mainly you start on 1 hour and then you move down. When you move down, you see that, okay, I had this retracement. Is it enough? We have here a big retracement, rejection at this level. And this is why I had a small sell on gold a few hours, 2 hours ago, 1 hour and a half. Like this is now the, here, let's see. Look. Wait for a second. Oops, I forgot. Okay, this is now a new resistance formed. You have a rejection candle here. It closed, it retraced all this bullish candle, and then a new candle open, moved up a bit, and then it's moving down. This is an impulsive entry, 1743. And then the market should keep moving down until we have a sniper entry at this level. This level mainly was the sniper entry. It should have been here, 1733 to go up. So if you have a break also on the 4 hour, on the short term, then you have to close your position if you are on a buy. Well, you should change your strategy, as I had the same problem before, like the sniper entry. I wanted to take it exactly at the entry, like I don't want any drawdown. But once you understand that this strategy, it hits sometimes, but the other time, like you have like 30 to 40% hit rate and 60 to 70 non-hit rate. Okay, when it hits 30 to 40, you won't see any drawdown. You see just the order taken, and then whoop, you have your target take profit. So you have to increase a bit. Yeah, if your sniper entry, for example, is at 1731, get it on 32. At the end, you will close it after all this at 35, 34, just to be, or go half lot and then the other half, as I'm doing in US. Ooh, US 30, US 30.
Just true. كتير عم بيصير هيك. It's always happening with me. يعني missed trades because of 2 pips, 3 pips. Sometimes I wait for confirmation, like GBP, JPY. I was waiting the candle to close above the level, but it opened and went up, but and hit the profit.
Actually, we missed VJ hard. We missed it very hard. And here it was 78, 74%. This was a buy entry. We should have taken this at least, if not here, when we had a reversal at the 15-minute, and then it's moving up again above 149.81. We should have this buy like from that moment. And you see, like, it's one move up. This is the very important trade. We missed it today. Oh, Dow. We were just about 7 pips. Oh, and now it retraced like 35 pips. 7 pips away. When we aim for a sniper entry, we will see a lot of these missed trade. A lot of these missed trades. So we must be ready for this. Look, the Dow, it did all this retracement before the 15-minute candle closes. Usually, if the 15-minute candle, for example, closes at this level, I would go into half lot. like 33.64 for example, or 65, and we have this bullish candle 15-minute, then for sure we will have a retracement in the next one before it keeps moving up if it want to go up. But all the 15-minute retracement that we wanted to see, US 30 did it before the 15-minute candle closed. Look, gold, big rejection so far. Rejection on the 30-minute candle, shadow dawn. Don't forget, guys, we are today Friday, and Friday usually is the day where you have two kind of traders. The scalpers, they don't care usually about Friday because they go into a trade and they get out. But swing traders, usually before weekend, and just to be on the safe side, not to have like unpredictable things happening during the weekend, if they are in profits, they even close half of their position or 80% of their position if they see like the market will keep going in the same direction, but they secure just not to have something unreal in the weekend, or something like extraordinary or fundamental uh, news coming up. So they secure their profits, especially if they have, for example, a sell from the start of the week. And what's happening with GJ is one of these, okay? Because if you see like for this week, see, you see for this week, we started like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, this is Friday. So the market starting Tuesday, it was like 152.76, 153, and the market kept moving down, down, down until 150. Yeah, it's like 300 pips down for the US, for the GBP JPY. So of course Friday people will try to close their positions. Well, not all of them, but most of them will try to close their position. Mustafa, it's US 30 correcting now before going up to see. Actually, we cannot know exactly, but so far, as long as this low is not broken, 33,537, we are still in a correction. At least we need to break the previous low. Yes, we are still in a correction, and the market can move up again. 33,673, not 45 anymore. And if it breaks 33,676, we might see the 61.8, which is 33,739. The big problem here is I cannot easily scalp US 30 when we have new highs, because there is no resistance, there is no support on the 5-minute, there is nothing in the history. It's totally clear. So it's hard to choose the way I want to sell or where, except like these, for example, on Fibonacci, we are near this level. 15-minute candle moved that big. If I have this 15-minute candle closing like in this level here, so of course I will try a sell, because I know that the next 15-minute candle, most probably, يعني, very high probability, if even it goes up, it hit this resistance level, or it start retracing before it will hit it, but we will see a retracement after all this move, especially on Friday. There is no big news, there is nothing that big happening. So and this study will be for you guys available once you study the move of the US 30 on 5 and 15-minute for almost 6 months, 7 months, 1 year. Then you will understand when nothing's happening like fundamentally, how this US30 will move and how you can benefit from this US30. Usually I prefer to have like supports, resistance, levels. The more the levels, the easier is to trade. Now GJ, breaking this level. If it breaks this level, and see it down again. It's a 10 pip range, 10 pip stop loss, take profit, one-on-one trade, one-to-one trade. So after all this rejection from 150.93, if it breaks 150.74, we might see it moving down to this level. Without really looking into this, actually, to be honest, because I think this is like part of the flag that we had yesterday. It was a clear flag. Oh, I think we hit like 79% also here. Wow. No. More than 79%. 79% was here 70, 77. We're almost like 80%, 90% here. We need this break. If it does not break below this, there is no potential sell. Oh, gold. Retracing almost all the move down, all this move once after breaking 1744, 43, it's moving up again toward this level. $10 so far up, 100 pip from the sniper entry that you missed, Wael. Yeah, it was a good sniper entry, but you had to take it like a bit above like 1733. Waiting for 1731 was really, look, you have to check one, you have here many times, 2, 3, 4. Like you have to check always what levels are most hit. Look, 5, 6, here nothing, 7. Whoa. Be careful, guys. As more as you have confused, of course, it went below this. I'm not saying, but After all this move down from 1748 to 1733, we are talking about 150 pip on gold, 150 pip. Of course, we have to start buying. Maybe your first buy will be here, and then your second buy will be at 1731 or 30 on the second one. And with a stop loss, of course. Again, today the problem, I didn't check the market. I was so busy today during the day. We had this 3670 also sniper entry on GBP USD. Wow, GBP USD, the last time it made a low, it was here, exactly here. The last, 3670. And here was also another sniper entry, 3670 with a stop loss on 3660. Okay, today is the missing chance days, the missing chances day.
You're talking about missing. We are almost today. Really, it's the missing day today. It is the really missing day. Almost we are missing in the market more than we are missing our parents.
Yeah. No, yeah, these things are so technical, are so obvious, but we need just to sit back, relax, put these orders today. It was, for me, a very busy day. I couldn't really focus on the market, but looking now, we missed, and we are not talking about missing like 10 pips, 20 pips. These are runners. Runners. You are talking about like here the 74% sniper entry on a daily. Wow, what a buy we should had on GJ. Like 100 pips, 100 pips, not just like something normal, not 10 pips and things like this. Also 60 pips on GBP USD. This is not like we are missing a 10 pip scalp trade. It was due to the news, yes, of the prince. The prince died. Prince Philip died at age of 99. 99. He couldn't make it till 100. And then the market
نعمل له
went
short.
I think no, it's not now during the day, but look how much they were. They were
I'm
affected.
talking about the prince. He couldn't reach the 100, and I'm short.
No. Wait. Here you can have a cell, small cell. At on GJ, your stop loss is here. I won't take this trade. Just watching it, I think today I won't take any trade. I'm not sure. I will wait just US 30. But let's see if the study is working perfectly. So the sell is here, 74. We broke this level. It should resume down after this rejection we have. We have a rejection at this level. Then our sell is at this level. Our take profit will be here. Also, it closed well. It's a good close. Now we should respect this support, this resistance, like this high. It should be respected, 150.84. Now we can see like GJ making like a shadow. We'll see if it will respect the support, the resistance level, and then breaking this low 1570 will mainly mean that we will reach this target. Let's see. Dow, look, this 15-minute candle was also bearish. They traced most of the move. I don't know, Ahmed, if you are out or you are still in this trade. Hopefully you are out. I'm out 10 pips. Oh, perfect. Okay, and here Dow also breaking this level. It should retrace down. Should retrace down. GJ resuming the move down. Most probably will hit 64. Exactly, it hit the resistance bag and it's moving down. You should hit this resistance. Sorry, this level as a take profit. GJ. $50.67. Yes, it's the yen getting stronger. It's a very good start. Oh, and take profit hit. Here, if you're in it, you can secure the 10 pips at least half lot or even 70% of this trade, 80%. And then your stop loss is now at break even and you can keep your runners down if you secured it. For me, it's better. I would prefer to go out and call this your day if this is your only trade. But if you want to see it because it moved a lot, so I think it will keep moving down, you can start reducing your take profit, your stop loss step by step if you don't want to just close it. Very clean study, very clear study. Rejection here, shadow up, breaking this support level, moving down, retracing to this main support level, which became a resistance, and then moving all the way up, down to our take profit. So full take profit hit at this level. And this is the level here. It hit exactly at the same. US 30. I don't know if someone took this trade, but it's a good one. So whomever took this trade, congrats. After it hits 50.64, it will start going up again. Usually, yes, it's a support level, Mustafa. So it will retrace from this level. I'm not saying that it will retrace to keep its move up, but once you have this target at this level and you have this support here, so you must secure your trade, secure profits. 70%, 80% of your trade is secured, and the other one you put on entry, so it's nothing. Yeah, if you are on a $1,000 account and you sold like 0.1, you closed now 0.08, and you still have only 0.02 and at entry. So most of your profits are now, most of your dollars are now in your pocket. So it's like $8 in your pocket instead of 10. Okay, and your stop loss at entry. So maybe it won't hit the entry, and if it breaks again the 50.64, then it should keep its way down to 150.55. You took it, perfect, Mustafa. Now is the time to manage your risk. Put up, GU still up. Dow, my lovely US 30. So it's done for this trade. Super nice, super exact. Most of the move were done in the session and the pre-US market. So far, it's ranging again. جولد is عامل 1744 مطرح منيح to sell 1744 1744. Yes, it will be a good option to try a sell. We'll have it like 74% also, one move up on the 15-minute. If it reaches like in one move, your stop loss, but your stop loss won't be that close. It will be like $5, not here even, not 45, because you know gold, it can move up very fast, and it might be retracing all this move. All this move down, we might see like a V retracement up. So it's a bit hard to take this decision here. But as 74 and the resistance at the same time, there is a high probability that it reaches this level and even at least retrace for 20 pips, 15, 20 pips. I still see that this US 30 will retrace this move up. Like it will go to 33,552. I'm not quite sure about it. We need at least to close or to go below 33,595. Because so far it's still like even though we had the support, this is also, it can be a reversal. Don't know, let's see. 30. I still see, for example, a break below this level. If it breaks below this level, then we can talk about certain down move, 23 pips, but now it's like retracing. Also, we must be careful about this retracement and to keep its way up. Yeah, we can see a bullish move. And done for this trade. Look, if it breaks below this level, we can see the US 30 moving down. This is a no trade range here. We cannot trade at this level. And the problem is that I don't see that we might have big moves. Muhammad, for GBY, we can sell it. I don't know, Muhammad. The sell, it's done for me. We already sold it with the take profit, like it was 10 pips scalping. It hit it exactly. Of course, now if it breaks again, this 50.63, we might sell to 40. But here we had a good study. This was a 15-minute reversal. Candle after open made a small shadow and then was moving down. 1577 was good. Hello, Karim. Oh, and Dow is breaking. Dow is breaking. Dow is breaking. Let's see. Have like it should go at least, should move down at least 20 pips, at least. Oh, yeah. Let's see if we will reach this level. Now it's making the shadow. Hopefully this 5 minute will have like big move down to this level. I will be buying my first half lot at 33,540 if we reach this level. Actually, it was a good down move so far. If we keep moving down like this way, it will be perfect. And the second one, the better one, will be here. Let's see. Closing this week with a trade, with a profitable trade, won't be that bad. Now it hit the support. Let's see if it will break the support or not. In order to go forward, move forward, we need to break this. DJ trying to keep moving down now, filling the wick. If we break below this shadow, then we can have more down move. Yeah, come on down. If you want us to trade today, you need to go to 33,541 and we will start our first trade. So far it's good. Actually, I will start the first buy here at this level, not to miss anything, because I think we had a good support here. At 53. No, do not retrace now. Do not retrace now. Let's see here. We have this support, we have this one, we have this one, we have this one. Actually, it's not bad as a support, but The problem was with the candle. It closed so 58, 53, 5 pips away. Oh, we wanted this move for us. Yeah, it's kidding with us. Yes. Oh my God, come on. Ah, it's kidding. Come on. Oh, we were working on this retracement, 5 pips away. Again, 5 pips away again. And it moved like 20 pips. It moved now 20 pips up. GJ, keep its way, retracing again. Wow, Dow, no. This is a missed trade also for 5 pips on US 30. The most important, the most like astonishing part is that the US 30 is working against the GBP JPY. Usually, when the stock market goes up, the yen get weaker because stock market means risk and JPY means security. So when the risk appetite increase in the market and people go to the stock market, then the yen should get lower. We expect the GBP to go down because of the deaths of Prince Philip. It should have, it didn't affect that much because nobody knew about him. I think that big because the news was like 2-3 hours ago. Let me check.
Sorry, maybe if it was this news was in the mid of the week, maybe it would affect a little, but because it's Friday and everything is almost
No,
closing, that's why maybe I don't know.
I don't think because he's not a decision maker in Great Britain. Uh, even of course, the Queen Elizabeth will make this move because the Queen and things like this. But he's still even not king; he's a prince. So he has zero decision on the economy of the country, zero decision, zero effect. So I don't think like it has something to do. Yes, and here this is Chinese indicator. Yeah, well, we have the GBP. GBP is strong today. Euro is weak. It's euro dollar. Oh, gold is reaching this support again. This is sorry resistance again. It's 74%. One move up. Normally it's a sniper entry for 10 pips maximum. Dow not convincing. And as we said, if we break the low, we are here at 55, almost 150, 55. This level, the next level. For people who left the runners. So good. Dow failed us. Failed us. Shame on you, Dow. Yeah, it's Friday. That's okay. That's okay. Any day, that's okay. Missing trade. Look, missing trade. Even if you do 0 trades per day, it's not a problem. At the end of the day, you did not lose. For me, a missing day is like, okay, I didn't trade. What and so what? That's okay. I didn't lose.
في مطارح الماركت بتبقى مثل مش واضحة. هون يعني بحس أنا مثل أصعب شيء to sit and watch، يعني تعطي clear decision، إنه sit and watch ما تاخذ ولا أي trades.
ما يفيد. لا اليوم كان في missing, but during the day we had a lot of missing trades. Like it was clear, especially this one. 49.60, it was 74%, 79%. GBP USD, this is a pure missing trade. Look, like 30-minute candle, all this move, at least at the support, we have to try a buy. This is a sniper entry. This is what we call sniper entries. At least we have to buy here at this level 70, because this is the old low done. And no, we had some missing trades, to be honest. Like, how do we say it? We could do better. We could do better during the day. GJ still moving down. US 30. US 30 made its shadow, and now if it breaks this 33,587, might retrace up. Let me see on Fibonacci how much the retracement was. Even more. There's no respect for Fibonacci here. Okay, we had an intention to buy here. Now, if it breaks this, the range is too small. I don't know how much it will go, but the range is too small, like 10 pips only. And here we are. Dow is moving up. Now a new shadow. If it breaks 33592, it should resume its way up. This is a pure reversal. This is also a reversal. Now breaking this high 33592, it should keep moving up. Wow, GJ. Now making also a shadow, and if we break 50.48, it should resume also down. This was the good reversal at this level. Breaking down. Sorry for my poor connection. I was asking if you expect GBP to go down because of death of Philip. No. No, no, no. Let's see the range here. If we go back up, we have like a 30 pip range. We can go back up in the US 30. شوفوا شو كانت حلوة الباي اللي بدنا ناخدها، شو كانت عملت لنا. بديع. I took it. You took it from here or down? Whomever took this trade, your stop loss should not be more than 33,579. We had many resistance here. We have this one, and we have this one. Oh, up. Hit the first resistance. Here closing the trade. GJ trying to move down again. Done. Good. Good guys. اي والله كانت حلوة يا مصطفى. You are right. That's okay. Days like this happen where we try to hit it from all the support and resistance, but it doesn't work. It hit exactly this resistance and it's turning again. US30. US30. Is this a reversal for US30? We will know if we break the low of the previous candle. If we break this low, we will know if this is a reversal or not. the best part in this trading journey, especially when we trade the Dow, when we wanted to hit like a certain level, like all the time moving up, down, very fast, 10 pips up, 20 pips up. When it goes down and we want to settle for a buy, at the last 2, 3, 4 pips, it will be the biggest or the hardest wish that we can have. So funny.
Like a full target, 100%.
Oh my god. All this way down from here, and we said we will take it at first. We said we will take it at this level 33,540, and then no, we figure out that we have a support at this level 3351. So let's take it here, and then these 5 pips we couldn't make it with these 5 pips after walking down from 619 to 59, like 50 pips. What? 50 pips? Even more. 60 pips down, and we stopped for the last 3, 4 pips. Just closed 4 pips on euro. Nice. Was like a sell, reversal on 74%, you mean? You took it on 74%, retracement. We have a look in this. Don't forget, by the way, guys, our 7 p.m. weekly community, Friday community call, weekly. So we'll have many discussions about this week, about the trades of this week. I know, Elias, I know you are waiting this from Tuesday. So
Yep, that's it.
we'll see you then. DJ. This is our lovely US 30. The market is so quiet, guys. If you have any question, feel free to ask it now. Feel free to send your study. People watching us on YouTube, people here in our community members. So just send what you have. And be ready to answer. There are some terms I'm not familiar with, like the 74%, and so that's easy when you create like the Fibonacci. You know about Fibonacci, of course. Just put this Fibonacci, you know about 38.2, 50%, and 61.8. What you have to do is to double click this, go and create a new one called 0.74, which is 74%. And then this must be added. This is my indicator. This is something I created. There's no course, no program that talks about this. But due to many research, back testing, and like for the last year, I've been doing a lot of back testing on the market, especially on the shorter term. Like 30-minute, 1 hour. Of course, it applies as we saw today on daily and 4 hours, but I took the study and I saw like many time when the market move in a one direction and it hits 74%, it's even better than 61.8. We have here like sniper entry with very low drawdown, so you can put your stop loss, for example, it depends, like below 79%, like 80, 85. It will hit maybe 1 or 2 times, but most of the time it takes this and move to it breaks. It's breaking. GG. Let's see. And it will hit take profit. Look, for example, here the euro. I think gold had the same. We had something about gold. 74% was the resistance. These are the sniper entries. I don't know if we hit this or not. Almost we hit this. 74%. Look, with the support, of course, sometimes it will be يعني 1, 2, 3 pips away. You don't have to take it exactly the same number. Of course, you know, because I'm taking this from the shadow till the shadow. Sometimes we don't have to take all the shadow. We can't know exactly the same 1 pip that you will have. Sometimes we'll have like 3, 4 pips go down. That's okay. GJ still moving down. Mustafa, you are still in this trade, I think, yeah? GJ retracing so far to 38.2. We have 1543. There's very low volatility today. Now in the US session, there is a very low volatility. The only problem that we will have with the opening of the market is that we weren't that ready to sell. I wasn't that ready to sell, especially that we broke above the higher high. So the move that we wanted was done at the opening, but we didn't sell because there's no real resistance. The only resistance we were waiting, the 50% Fibonacci extension, it was 5 pips also far. We couldn't sell. At the same time, we wanted to buy here. It was 5 pips also far. Yani, things happen. Things happen. These things happen. Let's see here. I'm still insisting on US 30. I want to buy the US 30 at this level. At this level, if we hit this level, my first half lot will be here, and the second half lot will be on the next support.
Abdullah, I'm trying a big effort not to do a trade today anymore. Trying a big effort. I cannot, man. I love to watch it because sometimes during this session, I get a lot of tips from you. Tips.
I know, but if you did what you want to do, you can just close and go have a walk. I don't know.
Maybe I'll ask my family to tie my hands maybe behind my back.
Let's see now though. Go ahead. Yes, 30. Now, if you want, you are not obliged, of course, to take any trade, but mainly this half lot entry, it will be a bit risky because I think if it will hit this, most probably we will hit 33,539. So it's up to you to do what you want to do. I will try my first buy here. If we hit, because there's no volatility, and I think if we hit this, we will have at least 10 pips retracement. There's no volatility in the market at all.
Well, to be honest with you, Abdullah, I'm looking at British pound, the Swiss.
Yes, you can send the study. You have to send studies. We can correct this. You can see.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't do a study about it. Now I'm watching it. It's going so far down. I don't know, maybe like a sniper entry from down. I'm just waiting for it to see a retracement up. That's why with the British pound yen.
Yeah, I know.
Now there's something green.
1 second. Let's hope that we will hit the support before. Okay, my first entry, half lot. US 30, first entry, half lot. First entry, half lot, US 30. Mainly the second entry will be at 33,540. 33,540. Whoa. It's up. Okay, I close my trade. Closing this trade. First winning trade, 33,551, 33,562. So 11 pips so far, US 30, 11 pips. 30, US 30, 11 pips. US 30. Thanks for whoever waited with us. 11 pips. So you took the straight, guys. Badia, thank you, Abdullah. Perfect, perfect, Badia. Anyone on YouTube? You took the straight. Perfect entry, George. Yes, we were waiting this entry from before this for all this move up. Now, why did I get out with 11 pips? Maybe it will go up now, but because the first hit. Let's be honest. If I had the first hit at this level, I would leave it more for 20, 21 pips, 30 pips maybe. But because this is the second hit, يعني, there is high probability that we can move down. I didn't take the risk. It's already a done trade, profitable done trade. It's still moving up, but we have to be like نقتنع لازم نكون قنوعين. Shame on you, Dow. Oh my God, there is no volatility. And I really thought that okay, I will take this 10 pip, but we will get to this level. I didn't expect to move that much, like 20 pips so far.
Yes, Abdullah, same to me. I was afraid it will go down more, so I didn't get it. Even I
At
was with
all?
you. Yeah, now. I'm talking about now, but during the day in Bala, I was trading it.
That's okay. I mean, every time I decide to be annual, market continues in same trend. Every time I decide to be greedy, I know this is something that happens also with me. It's not just about you. Okay, look, oh my God, now, wow, there is big move up. Now we can,
هيك صار فيها
wow.
زعل صار فيها زعل هيك صار فيها زعل هيك.
What's this, man? It's really funny. Why? Because like it took how much time? It took like 15 minutes, 5 minutes, like 10 minutes to reach 15 minutes. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 20 minutes. Let's say 15 minutes to reach this level, and in 5 minutes it's going up all the way. How hard it's to sell on the US 30? Oh my God, it's 30 pip, man. No way. And the problem, I took the half lot, so I can't like close half of it, put stop loss on entry. But it's really funny. Oh my God. Ahmad, you didn't get this trade at all? That's okay. Mustafa also, ما لحقته. That's okay, guys. I think it will reverse up now. It will keep moving up just because we took this trade and we closed it at 11 pips. بسيطة. It's really moving up.
No way.
That's okay. لازم نكون قنوعين. ايه امين. هلا, believe it or not, I think we will keep moving up. We'll go like again to this support, and then we'll go up because we closed this trade. Okay, GJ didn't hit the 38.2 so far, but it was so close. Wow, US 30, 40 pips. 40 pips, US 30. 40 pips. Our lovely US 30.
I think the US 30 took its rocket again, like it took it on Tuesday.
Sorry?
The US 30,
Yes.
I think it took its rocket as it took it on Tuesday.
Maybe.
Tuesday or Wednesday, I think, when it went crazy, came it was going so hard.
Now this support واو منيح رجعنا حطينا هذا السبورت اتليست ناخد تريد ولا كنا انقهرنا على الاخر منيح انتبهنا على هذا السبورت بس واو 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 يعني واو seriously wow. Gold, yes, I told you the gold is risky. I won't sell it at 1744. It's risky gold. At least I think it will retrace all the move. Most probably.
الداو بعده عم بيطلع. داو still going up.
Yeah, I know. خلص ما قلت لك we close the trade. So of course it will keep moving up. It will go up, it will hit again this. Ah, it hit it almost. Okay. Let's look to the positive part. Every day we are making profits. Every day. Every day we are closing on profits on US 30. Sometimes 70 pips, sometimes 24, sometimes 11, sometimes 50, sometimes 40, and depends on the volatility. But to be honest, usually when you say like you can make profits every day in the market, people won't believe this, but we are doing it. If you watch this live stream replay on our YouTube channel, like 2 months ago, like from 1 February till now, we almost didn't have, I don't know, maybe 95% of our trade are hitting it, their take profit. Maybe GBP, JPY, stop loss or something like this. But mainly, it's hitting the take profit all the way. This is our trade for today, our live account, C35162. So it's 11 pips, and congrats from whoever took this trade. Actually, this is what I sent you yesterday from the MT4, the growth of our account. And sees like how our live account is growing, and this is to know that this is not the full report because we started 1,200. When we talk, we started 1,200 because بيعرف إنه الرويال كان عندهم account باستراليا، سو حساباتنا كانت باستراليا، سو لما نقلوا على سان فينسنت سكروا كل الحسابات تبع استراليا ونقلونا على سان فينسنت، سو بلشنا من جديد تراك ريكورد. بس من الألف لل 2000 و 1208 كمان وهاد يعني 20% الطلعة كلها كانت طالعة. سو هاي كمان بلا ما نحط الداو اليو اس 30 اللي من 1 فبراير لحديت ما هلا فتحوا لنا اياها من 1 ويك تقريبا. So our track record is so clean and so clear to anyone, and in the last 5 months, from 1 November till now almost, so we had a consistent growth of the account. And this is what every trader should have while trading. And every mentor who's teaching the Forex trading, I believe that the first thing that he must do, that he must start trading live on a daily basis with his community, with its student. Because if you want to lead in this business, not be just a teacher teaching something, you have to lead by example and to trade with your community as a trader, same as an educator and mentor at the same time. So I really advise and I really invite every person who's looking to learn this business to learn it. Just you have to know who to learn it from, and uh, is this person is really trading. For example, one of my mentors is Raja. Raja, because of him, I'm now doing this live stream. I do now the live stream because I believed in this guy because he's trading in front of me. He's making this trade in front of me. This is the main problem. Muhammad, what the track record you have on the track record on US 30, you can see it from 1 February till now. Every day the trades that we took here and how much they hit. We are 100% almost around 100% hit rate, but in 2 months we have almost 36, 37% in 2 months. The only problem in the track record for the US 30 that I can show is because I did it many times on my accounts, sometimes on one account, sometimes on the second one, but I always was sending every trade we did on the live, on the Telegram channel that we have for the community, so they saw everything, they can see everything. But this is related to another account because we didn't have the micro lot on US 30 on Royal. Now we have the micro lots, and from like 2 weeks till now, 2 weeks, and we are trading all these US 30 now on the live account that we have, and it will give this track record combined between the currencies and the US 30 at the same time. But for anyone who wants to see how much hit we are hitting the US 30, you can check every replay from 1 February till now, and you can see every day closing on profit during the live session. Of course, I'm not trading the US 30 with the community outside the live trading session. So, whoa, DJ 30 broke the 38.2 and went into 30. Gold also 46 retracing. I think if we hit gold like 1748, I will have my first sell on gold. This sell doesn't make sense. I wouldn't sell at 1746. It doesn't make sense to sell at this level. US 30, our lovely US 30. We took a perfect sniper entry, guys, by the way. We took a perfect sniper entry on US 30. We had to hold it. But the problem is this was my problem with US 30. And I was expecting, okay, to hit this, retrace a bit, and then keep moving down. And this here, I was preparing a full lot for this. So if we have the retracement, because there is no volatility, 10 to 15 pips, I close half lot, I put stop loss on entry, and I keep the US 30 running. We had like, it wasn't the right expectation to explain it. Yani. As I told you, Badia, we are hitting again the resistance above. So retraced again from this level. Traced again from this level. Oh, US 30. Let's see US 30. If it keeps moving up, let's see it on the other way. If it keeps moving up like one way, no, it's risky. I don't know, there's no volatility, but I don't want to mess around on Friday and to get stuck in a trade or something like this. To be honest, like the buys were more efficient. The sells, it's not that appealing, as we said. Elio, daily viewer. Actually, to be honest, and I repeat it every day, since I started trading with you 1.5 months ago, my account grew 22% after losing for one full year. I can't thank you enough. You're really thank you, Elio. That's amazing. I can see your progress. Like I can see your comments every day. You're being with us every time and being consistent even on YouTube. Of course, you can make money at the same time. So that's really nice to hear this. When let's see. Chat. اوكي خليها صرت فينا نعتبرها double bottom قبل ما يطلع bullish. It can be a double bottom, but on 5 minute and small down move يعني I wouldn't risk this on a Friday move. Why it's Friday? Not because first I don't want to get stuck if something happened like for the next day. For example, uh, not being stuck like losing. We did like 11 pips. Any stop loss I will put, it will be more than 11 pips if I take a trade. So we will get stuck. And if we take our first trade and then the second one and then we put stop loss, so we will lose. Especially on Friday, the moves become like a bit confusing or not really understandable sometimes. So I always prefer to be very safe on Friday, not because يعني somebody once told me like you don't do trades on Friday. Of course not. Of course I do trades on Friday, on Monday, anytime. We are traders. So anytime we have opportunities, for example, we missed the GJ, the GU today. يعني these were on Friday and they were so clear to have these trades if we were in front of the screen. We did the US 30 trade and if it went down again, we could take it again. It's not about Friday or Monday or Wednesday. No, it's not about this. As a trader, when I have an opportunity, I have to take it. When I have an opportunity with the good analysis and all these. But the main idea on Friday that I prefer not to go into risky trades. What do I mean by risky trades? Risky trades like not really guaranteed at some point. For example, here, if it keeps going, maybe this is a correction and it will keep moving up. I don't know how it will be the volatility in 1, 2, 3 hours before the closing of the US session. So this is why I prefer not to go into this. I think this is enough for today, for Friday. We had this trade. We are also profitable today. So see you at 7 in 1 hour for the community. Okay? See you guys.